Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add elements to your picture on the Motionleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, select the picture you would like to edit and then click on the element button down below, which is the third option. Here you can find a bunch of categories at the top of this section, such as essential, fairy wings, winter wonderland, tasty toppings, and so on. So select a relevant category and then tap on the element that you would like to insert. Here you can make it bigger and smaller. As you can see, you can harmonize it by tapping on the harmonize button, and you can do it so make the adjustment by the help of this slide down below. You can adjust the opacity of the element too. You can move it up and move it down, and you are free to place it within the screen. If you would like to use the eraser, just brush over the areas that you want to erase, and here you can see how it looks like. So tap on the play button to see how it looks like. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.